into your Saturday.
All right, April, thank you. Well, nobody looks forward to getting a cavity filled by a dentist, but now there's a new medical alternative for the kiddos that's just a brush away.
Because taking them to the dentist is not fun.
Nobody likes that shot.
Joining us in Glendale to tell us about a cavity-fighting liquid. I had never heard of this before. Kylie, tell us all about it.
Me neither, but definitely Olivia, April, anyone who has kids out there, you want to listen up because let's face it, we tell our kids, brush your teeth, but when you're 3, 4, 5 years old, you might not be the best brusher, and so we are here talking about a new treatment. This is an FDA approved, it's called Advantage Arrest, and we've got our little kid here now. He's an adorable little guy. He is going to be doing this treatment. We're going to explain more about it in just a second, but first, Knox, do you like going to the dentist? Yeah? Tell me why.
Because it's fun.
It's fun. What are you doing today?
Flossing my teeth.
Flossing your teeth. Okay, so we are here at Affiliated Children's Specialist. Am I saying that right?
Affiliated Children's Dental Specialist.
There we go. And we have the doctor here, Jeanette. You are here to talk about why this is such a great alternative to the drilling and filling. So tell me what it is and what it does.
So this is called silver diamine fluoride, and the first commercially available version of it is the Advantage Arrest, like you mentioned. And it was FDA approved in 2014, but just came to market last year. And now it's more, people are more aware of it because it was mentioned in the New York Times recently. And what it is a non-invasive, painless, quick alternative to treating cavities, which is fabulous for little kids like Knox here because it avoids having to get shots or having your teeth drilled and filled. So it's a great alternative. So we're going to show you how we do that.
Okay, are you ready, Knox? Yeah, and this takes like about a minute?
That's right. Quick and easy.
Okay, so you're going to get going, and we're going to talk to Dad over here. Dr. Jeanette, look at him. You know what? I have to say, a lot of kids out there, they don't have big smiles when they come to the dentist, but they definitely make them smile here in Glendale. So he's going to get the treatment done. And Dad, Cass, have you heard about this treatment before this?
No, Dr. Jeanette told us about it. We had no idea. And when we came in, it was her suggestion.
And what do you think about it? It's a good alternative. I remember having a lot of problems with my teeth growing up and always had to go to the dentist, get cavities filled, and it was never fun.
It's a great alternative, especially because it's so painless. Painless, quick, it's easy, no complaints from him, no complaints from us either.
That's always the good news. So he's about to get it done right now, and it's just like she said, takes just a minute or two, really easy, no drilling, as you can see, the dental hygienist Stacy there. So you paint on what they're using, this kind of liquid material right there in between. He is doing such a good job, and I'm told he gets a prize after this too. That's it? That's so easy, and okay, now we just get to soak it in. And Dr. Jeanette, talk to me about what you have seen in your patients, especially the kids. You've seen big improvements?
You know, we've been doing it for about a year now, and it's really just been amazing how it's been able to turn soft, mushy brown cavities into rock hard tooth surface again. And the best part is making it so that the kids aren't afraid to see me because I want them to have a good experience.
Never like, no, exactly. So I know it's hard for you to talk because you have your mask on. So we're going to give you a big sticker, buddy, and I'm told you get a prize too. So lots of exciting things happen here at the dentist, guys. A good thing if you have kids out there, this is a good alternative potentially in the future if they do have a cavity.
Plus, he's the only person in the world, I think, who's ever said going to the dentist is fun. I've never heard that.
Especially not from kids. Thanks, Kylie.